We sacrificed one of our best agents.
We must seize the gum-gum fruit.
It's foolish, but it's almost as if the fruit is trying to evade us.
That's not entirely implausible.
Zoan-type devil fruits can have a will of their own.
If that's so, this fruit would be rather willful. After all, its true name bears the title of a god.
The Zoan human fruit. Mythical type. Model. Nika. And frolicked as he fancied, bringing a smile to people wherever he went. The warrior of liberation. Or as others called him, Nika, the sun god.